Treat yourself to a test drive in the 2020 Toyota Corolla. With fewer than 1,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sedan prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, heated door mirrors, lane departure warning, and remote keyless entry. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Toyota ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, indicating just one previous owner. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. We are here to help you.